In today's digital age, having a personal website is more than just a trend. It's a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone passionate about a particular topic, creating your own website can open doors to opportunities you might have never imagined. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the why, how, and what of building a personal website and how it can positively impact your life. Let's start with the why. You might be thinking, why do I need a personal website when I already have social media profiles? The truth is, a personal website offers unique benefits that social media platforms can't provide. Here are 6 compelling reasons why having a personal website is essential. The first is personal development. Writing regularly on your website helps you develop your ideas, improve your writing skills, and become a better communicator. By documenting your thoughts and experiences, you gain clarity and insight into your own passions and interests. The second is professional opportunities. Your website serves as an online portfolio or CV, showcasing your skills, experiences, and interests to potential employers or collaborators. It can set you apart in job interviews and open doors to new career opportunities. 3, networking. Through your website, you can connect with like-minded individuals and professionals from around the world. By sharing your thoughts and expertise, you can build meaningful relationships and expand your network. The 4th is opportunities and exposure. Your website exposes you to a range of opportunities, such as writing for publications, speaking engagements, or collaborations. It serves as a platform to showcase your work and attract attention from potential collaborators or clients. 5, impact and influence. With a personal website, you can have a far-reaching impact on your audience. By sharing valuable content and insights, you can inspire, educate, and influence others, amplifying your message and creating positive change. The 6th is monetization. While not the primary focus of your website can also be monetized through various means, such as ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. With dedication and persistence, you can turn your website into a source of passive income. Now that you understand the importance of having a personal website, let's talk about how to create one. The process is simpler than you might think, thanks to a user-friendly website platforms and domain registration services. So here's a step-by-step guide. Number 1, choose a platform. There are several website platforms available, each with its own features and pricing plans. Some popular options include Squarespace, WordPress, and Wix. You should choose a platform that suits your needs and budget, such as Squarespace, which is easy to use, has intuitive design features, and plans starting for $13 a month. There's Wix, which is a flexible and affordable platform with plans starting at $9 per month, or WordPress, which is a more advanced platform giving you control over hosting and design. Number 2, get a domain. A domain gives your website a unique identity. You can purchase a domain through services like Google Domains or GoDaddy. Prices typically range from $10 to $20 per year. Number 3, design your website. Most website platforms offer a range of templates and customization options to design your site. Choose a clean, professional design that reflects your personality or brand. Number 4, create content. Once your website is up, start creating content. Write blog posts, share experiences, or showcase your expertise. Aim to publish new content regularly to keep your audience engaged. Some content ideas include sharing insights from books or podcasts, documenting your experiences, or writing about topics you're passionate about. And number 5, promote your website. You should share your website on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Engage with your audience and encourage them to share your content with their networks. So now that your website is up and running, what's next? Here are some tips for making the most of your personal website. Number 1, focus on content. Content is king. Write high quality, valuable content that resonates with your audience. Document your experiences and share insights and provide helpful resources. Number 2, engage with your audience. Encourage interaction and feedback from your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and foster a sense of community on your website. Number 3 is promote your content. Share your blog posts and updates on social media platforms. Engage with other users and communicate with communities relevant to your niche. Networking is key to expanding your audience. Number 4, monetization. While not immediate, you can explore monetization options once your website gains traction. Consider advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Number 5, don't overthink design or SEO. Focus on creating valuable content rather than obsessing over design or search engine optimization. Simple, clean design is sufficient, and organic sharing on social media is more effective than SEO for most personal websites. Number 6, overcome fear and doubt. It's natural to feel apprehensive about putting yourself out there online. But remember, everyone starts somewhere, and growth comes with patience. Embrace the journey and keep pushing forward. So in conclusion, building a personal website is a valuable investment in yourself and your future. It provides a platform to share your ideas, connect with others, and make a positive impact. With the right tools and mindset, anyone can create a website that reflects their passions and interests. So why wait? Start building your personal website today and unlock the endless possibilities it holds.